Hello pumpkin people and welcome back to my channel. We have not been to TJ Maxx yet to go Halloween hunting, so we are heading in today and hoping to see some new items, and we definitely lucked out because these are new. These seem like they're some kind of collector's pieces. They are made of ceramic and they are $19.99. I love this witch. I love her black nails. They look like mine, except for that leads me into the little disclaimer. Please ignore my nails. They are so grown out and I've been filing them down and I am getting them done soon. This little set of 3 witches is $24.99, and right next door is this spooky doorbell. I tried to see if it would, make the noise if I press the button. It wasn't working, but this is $14.99. These crystal balls are $24.99, and I'm pretty sure we saw a bunch of different versions of these at HomeGoods, but TJ Maxx has these ones. I did not get the price on the phone. I apologize. And I couldn't find it online either. I just got distracted by all the noise it was making, but that was really cool. So if I come across it again, I'll make sure to film it and get the price for you guys. But they had that cute pumpkin bat, these little ghosts for $14.99. And then I saw what no Halloween decor hunter wants to see in July. And it was a Christmas item. These Christmas coasters, they were not on sale either, so I'm sincerely hoping those are like leftover from last year, but I think they'd be on sale. And this is a new TJ Maxx that opened at Christmas time last year, so yeah, if we start to see Christmas coming into the stores, I'm going to be very sad. I love Christmas, I'm just not ready for it yet. But anyways, I did find these Mickey canisters. Disney, are you okay? Why is this $29.99? That seems so ridiculously expensive. I've seen really cute ghost canisters for like a third of that price. But yeah, those are here if you're looking. I know they are a popular item. This stacked mug set was $9.99 and the other mugs were all $4.99. This set of stemless wine glasses I think was plastic, and they have the kind of bedazzled Mickey and Minnie. These are $12.99, so like a little bit more reasonably priced than the canister. So yeah, I was kind of expecting those to be stupid expensive as well, but they were a little bit more reasonable. And it seems like TJ Maxx and HomeGoods are starting to carry like outdoor and indoor inflatables. This is a massive spider and it's $29.99, which seems like a fair price. And then we have these awesome light up string lights.
There are few deny in what I do. I am the best. For my talents are renowned far and wide. When it comes to surprises in the woods.
This set and the next one I'm going to show you are both $19.99. then we have some fragrance items. We have the Skull diffuser, which is pretty cool. And then I think these are reed diffusers, so like the little fragrance oil in a bottle with the reed sticks. So they had those. I didn't see any like fall or Halloween candles. They did have some when I was here a couple days ago, but they were all gone when I came back. And look at this adorable bat. This matches the one we saw earlier. So cute. I like this one best. And then they had a pink jack-o'-lantern and a matching white one. The Day of the Dead plushies are so cute. I wanted to get that for my niece, but I also have a nephew and they did not have one for him, so I didn't want to just get her one. And then they have this cat, which reminds me of like some of the Pottery Barn pillows. I want to say that they had a cat like this at one point. This year they have a white one with a witch hat, so if you're looking for the look for less, they're not quite the same, but very similar. They have these glitter witch boots, and I love the celestial pumpkin. Actually, I'm going to save a picture of this and use that as like my inspiration for when I carve a jack-o'-lantern this year. Probably the most surprising find is this 8-foot animated skeleton. It looks identical to the Home Depot one, but it is 4 feet shorter. So, you know, keep that in mind. It's $199. You can find these just about everywhere this year. I think the bigger the better, like if you can get your hands on the actual Home Depot one. Supposedly it's the last year they're selling it. I think they're just coming out with a bigger one and just like kind of tricking people into buying the one that's out right now. But anyway, they had these really cool sort of embroidery hoops, and I feel like if you're into witchy decor, that's perfect, but they also are pretty enough to use every day in my opinion. This TJ Maxx had really nice Halloween blankets. These are more of the felted ones that don't snag. I love that skull one. You're gonna see it in my cart later on, but I actually did not buy it, just so you guys know. I just, I carried it around the store with me for like, the 45 minutes I was there, and then I ended up putting it back. But they had this spider pillow, some pillow sets, these little, I think they call them like scatter rugs with the ghosts and the spiders. And I think this is the first time I found the ghost pillow set. So that was exciting, but I'm not looking for those. So of course I left them for somebody else who is. So I was specifically looking for these towels. I saw them in Jack Valentine's Halloween hunting video, I think his last video. And they are just so cute, like very woodsy, mushroomed, celestial vibes. But the quality was not there for me, so I didn't end up getting these like I thought I would. I don't know, I might cave and get them anyways, like just a set of 2 bath towels maybe. They're just really cute. I like a really plush, thick, like luxurious bath towel. And those weren't it, honestly. They also had a few more pillows here. I'm noticing so much celestial kind of stuff. I feel like that's cool though, because some of that stuff I feel like you could keep out year round if you have that style. So it's nice to see. And then they had Halloween specific makeup brush holders. They come in 4 versions, or at least that's what my store had. And they had like a spooky makeup brush kit that comes with a coffin shaped makeup brush holder, and this was $12.99. I saw a couple fall-esque hand soaps, but nothing really to write home about at this point. I will probably just get my hand soap from Bath & Body Works. And that's what my TJ Maxx had, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for being here with me. I know there is a whole mess of, fall and Halloween shop with me videos out there, including several of my own. So I really appreciate when you take the time to watch mine. So thank you again. I love you, my pumpkin people, and I will catch you in a future video. Bye now.